Hi there, Linda Artesani Bookkeeping. So I wanted to do a quick video to just show you a few of the things that are new in QuickBooks. They're so new that they're actually not available to the general public unless you choose them in QuickBook Labs. There are new features for the month of May. There's a new app for PayPal, much better than the old app where you actually have some control over it, like the bank feeds. There's progress billing that's available now in QuickBooks Online, which is something everybody's been asking for. So you can progress bill percentages of a bill to your customer, especially if you're a contractor. There is also a new way that your invoices are going out, so they look more like they're branded for your business and not for Intuit. So the Intuit logo is not so predominant. And that came out at the end of May, and it was a little shaky when it came out. Some people's logo, including my own, looked really blurry, and they've since fixed that. So if you like to try new things, then the best place to do that and want to be the first one to know about these things is to come over to the gear. I'm very guilty of the shiny object syndrome. Come into QuickBooks Labs. One of the things people have been asking about is to be able to email directly, do your billing directly, invoicing out of Gmail. So a lot of people have a Gmail account. I do. And most of the times when you want to turn some of these things on, like Scan Book, Smart Scan, I turned it on. You can turn it on, you can turn it off. You can just do it with the toggle switch. But you come to this one, it doesn't have the toggle switch. So how do you turn it on? Well, it just says see a demo. So we can watch a demo on how it works, give feedback, or just install. So there's no toggle, you just install. So I'm going to grab it, install it. And of course, there's terms of service privacy policy, which is basically, it's Google, it's like Facebook, you have no privacy. Intuit, same thing. I can add it to there, and I can allow. And that's it, it's that simple. So now I can do invoicing for Gmail, it's been installed. So let's take a look at how it looks. So it works with Gmail, so I'm going to come over to my Gmail account and see how this looks here. So now Google's telling me, yes, you've got this new feature. So let's try it out. Sent myself a test email, so I'm going to do that right now, send myself a test. So I'm just going to send myself an email so I can make it show up, because according to the directions, it just shows up in the email itself and not on the actual inbox. So you got to hit, oh, there it is. So there it is. So here's QuickBooks, it's gray. So I'm going to click on it, make it green, and it says you need to authorize access. So I'm going to authorize the access. So you have to do it twice. I'm going to allow it. I'm just going to sign into QuickBooks. This is going to be nice because you'll be able to do this on your phone if you wanted to invoice on the spot, which is kind of nice if you have the Gmail account. A lot of people complain about that they don't have, they have, I'm going to add the app to my firm. I'm going to hit confirm. I'm going to add it to my firm. So I can bill out of my Gmail account if I want to one of my customers that I know I get the email on. There we go. Okay. And I'm going to send that. And there's the invoice. And then I can view it. And there it is. And they can pay it. Really cool. I like it. So that's pretty neat. It sent that invoice out. So let's go back to my QuickBooks file and make sure that that actually happened. So I'm going to come over to sales, and I'm going to go to that first one, and let's see if it's there. And there it is, $1,000. Of course, it was viewed because I viewed it, and it will probably say that. But yeah, there's the invoice that I created. If you want to see the print or preview, it's there for the $1,000, bookkeeping service per agreement. Pretty darn neat. I love these new features. It's really awesome that we've got this ability now to be able to do such a simple thing as email an invoice out like that. Again, Linda Artesani Bookkeeping. Thank you for watching. Bye now.